In 2016, venture capital was reinvented when the Jobs Act came into full effect. For the first time ever, the doors to the private markets were open to everyone, allowing us all to invest in the next generation of game-changing startups. However, the new investment landscape was opaque and lacking in reliable guides to the opportunities available. Multiple data and research tools are available for public stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Google, and Facebook, and virtually no way of assessing private offerings on the same scale.
My name is Chris Lustrino, and I'm the founder and CEO of KingsCrowd. In 2018, I saw an opportunity to build a data company that would make investing in private offerings simple and accessible. These new markets were and still are sprawling and complex, with thousands of investment opportunities across multiple platforms. I wanted to provide individual and institutional investors looking to access these opportunities with an easy-to-use tool for discovery and due diligence. Simply put, we want to empower everyone to invest into powerful private market assets like startups with confidence.
In 2020, nearly $30 billion was transacted across online private investing platforms. More retail investors than ever partook in investing in game-changing companies. Now 3 years into our journey, KingsCrowd is the first mover in providing the same types of data and research tools typically utilized in the public markets, helping make online private markets accessible to investors looking to gain exposure to this incredibly powerful asset. With over $2 million raised to date from 2,100 plus investors, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, revenues that grew over 20x in 2020, and a patent-pending rating technology, KingsCrowd is the one-stop source for finding, identifying, and researching companies before investing on platforms like Republic. We've built a world-class team with executives who'd previously served as CTO of Dow Jones Business Intelligence Group, Chief Compliance Officer across Bank of America Properties, and Chief Investment Officer of Citigroup Private Bank, along with the VCs and data scientists from such firms as VU Venture Partners, Glasswing Ventures, and Carta.
We work solely on behalf of you, the investor, to provide education, research, ratings, and analytics.
We empower KingsCrowd members with institutional-grade diligence tools for investing in startups through online marketplaces like Republic. Our proprietary patent-pending Merlin rating system ingests over 170 data points to benchmark and score companies, allowing you to sort, filter, and research companies from across all major marketplaces in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually, all for one simple monthly fee. With unprecedented levels of access to data in the online private markets, KingsCrowd has a first out-of-the-gate opportunity to build a suite of quant-heavy analysis tools for online private markets. We have thousands of companies already in our database and hundreds of thousands of data points that are growing every day. We also provide industry analysis, market-level analytics, a portfolio aggregation tool, educational resources, and more. As private equity continues to move online, we will look to serve both our subscriber base and institutional clients, ranging from family offices and wealth managers to retail-oriented financial services firms and asset managers looking to provide their clients with exposure to this beckoning asset class. $13 trillion of existing private market assets that will continue to evolve towards online trading. Billions of dollars already being transacted into real estate, consumer lending, and securitized assets like wine, art, baseball cards, and more via online marketplaces. These assets will need to be tracked, analyzed, and researched. KingsCrowd is poised to be the global data provider of choice for all these assets and more. Invest in KingsCrowd today